What is going on, everybody? It's kzSquid. We're back with another video. It's a beautiful day out as always. Especially when you're out here doing some wheelies. We are headed to the bank because it is bill season again. Figured I'd get out on the bike. It's a really nice day out. Super duper sunny. It's like 85. So I got some exciting news. We're going to a Hawaiian shirt Rideout on Sunday. It's gonna be awesome. I got Night Gromer and his girlfriend are coming. Should be pretty sick. I'm gonna try to get one of my other buddies that has the brown navy that's in my garage to come. It's gonna be awesome because it's my first like legit Rideout with other people that stunt ride. So that'll be a great time. I also just ordered the replacement stock brake lever for my Grom. I got it from One Finger. It's just the replacement that goes into this OEM master. So that'll be cool. I really like their products. They're so smooth. Night Gromer has the clutch lever from them, and he just ordered another one. He's gonna give me his old one, so I'll have the matching clutch and brake lever. And then next I'm getting rear sets. I need the Z&Z Customs. I want the ones with the passenger pegs so I can rig up some way to hang my exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but that should be awesome. And then my build is like pretty good. It's just all bonus stuff from there. Tell you guys what, I wouldn't rather be doing anything else right now. It's so freaking nice out. I am hungry as freak though. Cut that guy off, my bad. But nah, you guys ever like get really hungry in the beginning of the day and then you don't eat anything and then that shit kind of just goes away? Yeah, I do that every day. I eat like one meal a day. That's why I'm like fucking skin and bones. Skin, bones, and forearms. I got fatty forearms because I do tile. Seems like there would be a cop creeping around back here, so we're gonna go somewhere different. Wendy's. Yeah. McChicken Deluxe coming right up. It's like so I mentioned it in the comments of one of these videos. Somebody was telling me that I've been getting smoother with my throttle inputs, and I would have to agree. And I think foot brake finally clicked for me, because for the longest I would let oh look, 1600 miles. For the longest I would let completely off of the gas whenever I wanted to have brake input, and that was making my wheelies extremely choppy, and it was making them so they were hard to keep up, because I would go back with throttle and then let off the throttle and gas, and the wheel would come down way far. But now I'm learning to just ride it while I have gas on, and it's way smoother. I have the Speedo Healer, or Speedo Doctor Healer, Speedo, whatever the freak it's called. The thing that corrects your miles per hour after you change your gearing. And I'll tell you what, it's very annoying. I have to reset it so many times. I've done it like 5 times already, and I know it's currently not working. So that's a little annoying. I'm pretty much over it, and I'm just gonna deal with the miles per hour being off. I don't think I can deal with the heat. I'm not trying to sit in that. I just picked up my Hawaiian shirt for that Hawaiian shirt Rideout. It was the only one they had at the thrift store, and it looks like it's from the 80s. So that's pretty cool. Oh, here's a op, our local Fed. Always wave, boys. Smile and wave. Back far enough, just kept raising mile per hour. Just trying to get back there a little farther so I can get used to it. Second gear is just so much scarier for some reason. Like first gear I have no problem just bringing it up too far. Jumping off the back. I just need more brake control. It's my fear. Fear of loop. I think I'm gonna go ride caddy for a little. There's like a Dominican restaurant I think down there that I'm trying to hit. That shit would be sick. Trash man, trash man. Of course this guy's going the way I want to go. Why wouldn't I want to smell trash all day? at that, shitty coolers for sale. Whoa. If you know, you know. And he knew. I know he knew. Oh, look at this. Sandy cheeks. You guys ever skid on your front wheel? I do it a lot. I need a grippier front tire. I think that's gonna do it for right now, guys. I gotta get back to my house so I can pay some bills and take care of some stuff in my everyday life. And thanks for watching. Peace.